Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to master rotation of objects in CorelDraw, whether text or image or whatever you want to rotate in CorelDraw. I'll show you on how to rotate. So this particular image right here, I'm going to use as an example right here. Now, for you to rotate this image, you may decide to rotate in different angle. So for that, what you need to do is to make sure you come to the center point of the particular object. Click once. So once you click once, and this rotation pin here is going to come up right here. Now you can decide to rotate from the top right edge right here and drag this inward right here. Everything depends on how you want to rotate. You can also come here and decide to rotate this angle right here. Or better still, you can come to the top right here and use the rotation size degree right here. You can decide to rotate this by 360 degree and then hit enter. It's going to be reflected just like what you see on the screen right here. Now, one great thing about this rotation of object here is that if you decide to make this particular object more bigger when you are rotating, what you need to do is to press shift key on your keyboard and rotate. When you rotate, the object becomes more bigger. So as many as possible, how you want it to be, it depends on how you continue to rotate. That's like what you see right here. So if I decide to return it back to the normal size of the image, then I'm going to press shift key on my keyboard again, then drag inward like so. Then I can decide to rotate it and it's like what you see right here. It's that simple. So you can go on and rotate your object as long as you want and as possible as you want. You can either do manual rotation right here, or better still, you come to the top right here and type in a particular figure of rotation degree you are looking for. Let me say I want to take this back to 45 degree and I'll hit enter on my keyboard. Then we have it as 45 degree right here. So once you are done with your rotation, go ahead and select, click on your right here, and then the rotation. Yeah, it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.